AI automation combines artificial intelligence, which learns and thinks like a human, with automation, which performs tasks without human input. The future of AI automation explores how this combo will evolve to become more intelligent, independent, and widespread. What will AI automation look like in the future? AI will become smarter, able to understand context, emotions, and user intent more deeply. This will make chatbots and virtual assistants feel much more like real human conversations. End-to-end automation. AI will evolve to automate entire workflows, not just isolated tasks. For example, it could manage everything from receiving an order to shipping the product and handling customer support. Workplace transformation. Routine tasks like data entry and scheduling will be completely automated, freeing humans to focus on creativity, complex decisions, and emotional skills. This shift will also create new roles such as AI trainers, prompt engineers, and ethics managers. What are MCPs? Model Customizable Protocols. MCPs, Model Customizable Protocols, are frameworks that let developers tailor AI models to specific tasks or workflows without building from scratch. They act as blueprints for customizing models like GPT to suit real-world applications. How MCPs work: use base AI models like GPT, Claude, or Gemini. Add instructions, memory, API access, and tools. Customize how the model talks, thinks, responds, and acts. Create a mini AI app for a specific purpose. Real-world examples of MCPs in action. Customer support agents. Customer support agents built with MCPs. Automate website interactions by handling common queries, such as FAQs, returns, and troubleshooting. They can be tailored to match a brand's tone while delivering personalized responses. MCPs also enable features like remembering customer history, tracking previous interactions, and intelligently escalating complex issues to human support when needed. AI writing assistance. Content creators use AI to rapidly produce blog posts, emails, and scripts. MCPs enhance this by tailoring the AI to fit the creator's brand voice, style, and formatting needs. Tools like Jasper AI and customized Notion AI templates demonstrate this effective personalization. Medical AI assistance. Doctors can use AI to quickly summarize patient histories and suggest diagnoses. MCPs enable this by connecting to electronic health records, filtering relevant data, and ensuring privacy compliance. For instance, a GPT-based assistant customized to a clinic's protocols can improve workflow efficiency while maintaining accuracy and confidentiality. Financial advisors. Personal finance bots assist users with investment advice, budget reviews, and savings plans. MCPs boost these bots by integrating real-time market data, accessing user profiles, and ensuring compliance with regulations. Examples include AI in apps like Wealthfront and GPT-based tools designed for budgeting coaches. AI-powered tutors. Personal learning companions support students by adapting to their pace, subjects, and learning style. MCPs personalize this experience by tailoring responses based on the student's progress and preferences. Conmigo, built on GPT-4 by Khan Academy, is an example of such an interactive AI tutor. Platforms that let you build MCPs easily: OpenAI assistants, API LangChain Replit agents, AutoGPT, Agent GPT Flowise, or Llama Index for retrieval-based workflows. Making money with MCPs, Model Customizable Protocols, is not only possible, it's becoming a serious income stream for developers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. How to make money with MCPs, Model Customizable Protocols. Sell custom MCPs as AI products or services. Build and sell ready-to-use AI agents for specific tasks or industries. How it works. Identify a niche problem, e.g., real estate email replies, startup pitch writing, resume optimization. Create an MCP using GPT, Claude, or other models. Bundle it as a tool, chatbot, or API. Sell it via your website, Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or SaaS platforms. Examples: AI therapist for journal prompts, sold on Gumroad. Resume rewriter GPT agent, offered as a subscription tool. E-commerce product description generator, used by Shopify sellers. Tools to build OpenAI assistants. API LangChain, Flowise Replit AI agents. Integrate MCPs into client businesses, freelancing or SaaS. Offer MCP-based automation solutions to businesses as a service. How it works. Small to mid-sized businesses want AI but don't know how to implement it. You build custom agents, chatbots, report writers, lead responders. Charge one-time setup plus monthly fees. Ideal clients. E-commerce brands for AI customer support. Agencies for internal automation. Coaches, consultants, or SaaS founders. Where to find clients. Upwork, Fiverr, TopTal, Indie Hackers, Reddit, R-Star Entrepreneur or ChatGPT. Cold outreach to local businesses, teach MCPs, courses, ebooks, and tutorials, create and sell educational content that teaches people how to build MCPs. What to offer? Video course, build GPT agents without code. Ebook MCPs for freelancers, tutorials on YouTube with affiliate links, platforms to monetize, Udemy, Gumroad, Teachable YouTube with monetization and sponsors. Substack premium newsletters. Build a SaaS or AI wrapper based on MCPs. Create a branded product around your customized protocol. Then scale it. Example ideas. A tool that writes YouTube descriptions based on the video title. An AI agent that handles Airbnb guest messages. A startup fundraising pitch assistant for first-time founders. Monetization models, subscription, EDACG, $9 per 9 months. Freemium, free basic premium features. Pay-per-use, tokens or credits. Tools to launch, TypeDream or Durable for WebsiteMake.com or Zapier for automations. Stripe for payments. You don't need to invent a new AI model. You just need to shape one into something useful, valuable, and sellable. How to create an MCP, Model Customizable Protocol. Step by step, step 1. Define a clear use case. To create an effective MCP, start by defining a clear and specific use case. Ask yourself what you want the AI to do, whether it's writing blog posts in a specific tone, answering customer service queries for a SaaS product, or summarizing research papers for medical students. The more focused and realistic your task or workflow is, the better your MCP will perform. A well-defined use case sets the foundation for customization and ensures the AI delivers useful, context-relevant responses. Step 2. Choose the right platform or tool next. Select a framework to build and run your MCP based on your skill level and project needs. If you're a beginner or prefer a no-code approach, tools like Flowise offer a drag-and-drop interface, while Zapier, combined with OpenAI, allows you to automate tasks easily. Replit AI agents also provide customizable templates that are quick to set up. For more advanced users, code-based options like the OpenAI Assistance API offer maximum flexibility, especially for building web apps. Step 3. Design the core prompt, system instructions. Clearly define what you want the AI to do and how it should behave by writing a well-structured system prompt. This prompt should include the desired tone, format, and specific goals, as it serves as the brain of your MCP. For example, you are a professional copywriter. Write Instagram captions in a playful and witty tone. Keep them under 100 words and always include a call to action. Step 4. Customize with tools or plugins. Optional. To make your MCP more powerful and versatile, consider adding tools that expand its capabilities. You can enable your MCP to read and analyze files like PDFs or CSVs, call external APIs for data such as weather or user information, perform calculations and generate charts using a code interpreter, or even browse the web for real-time research. These features can be integrated through options like function calling in OpenAI, the tools feature in the Assistance API, or API nodes in Flowise, depending on the platform you're using. Step 5. Test the MCP thoroughly. Thoroughly test your MCP by trying a variety of real-world inputs to evaluate its quality, reliability, and handling of edge cases. If the output seems inaccurate, irrelevant, or off-tone, refine your prompt or settings accordingly. Be especially mindful of AI hallucinations and inconsistent behavior. Step 6. Deploy your MCP. Once your MCP is ready, the next step is to make it accessible to users or clients through deployment. You can embed it directly into a website using JavaScript or an iframe for easy access. Alternatively, turn it into a full-featured web app using no-code tools like Bubble, Typeform, or Webflow. You can also integrate your MCP with popular communication platforms such as Slack, Discord, or WhatsApp for seamless interaction. For internal use, it can function as a standalone chatbot to support business operations or automate team tasks. Step 7. Monetize your MCP. Turn your MCP into a product or service to start generating income. You can sell it as a GPT wrapper through platforms like Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or directly from your website. Another option is to offer custom MCP development as a freelance service for businesses or entrepreneurs. If you enjoy teaching, consider creating an online course or YouTube channel to guide others on building MCPs. Step 8. Improve and update over time. Continuously refine your MCP to improve its performance and expand its capabilities. Start by collecting feedback from users to understand what works and what needs adjustment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all things AI automation and MCPs. See you in the next video.